In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to Logic Pro X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting and setting up your microphone within Logic Pro X is extremely simple. You can use any microphone connected to your device, and it should be picked up by Logic Pro X right away. So all that you have to do inside of Logic Pro X itself is to click on Logic Pro at the top left, go over to settings and then audio. So head over into the audio settings on Logic Pro X. Inside of audio, you will have plenty of categories. So what you are looking for is going to be under devices. You will have the output device and the input device. The output device is the device where the audio is going to be coming out from, and the input device is where audio will be picked up from. So in this example, the microphone. So all that you have to do is make sure that your particular microphone is selected here. There is no secret to this. You can connect a microphone directly to your device, or you can use something like an audio interface. So if you have an XLR microphone, because no Mac device or no Apple device is going to have the XLR input built into it natively, you will need to use an audio interface or a particular adapter. Just look through the ports available on your device. So for example, a Mac Mini will have these ports, a MacBook will have these ports, and you just determine which port is best suited for your particular microphone model. Because there are thousands of microphones out there, I cannot cover every single one of them, but usually you will be looking for a 3.5mm port, a headphone jack like this, or you might need to use an adapter. But as long as you plug it into your device and you go over to the audio settings, it is going to appear under input device. If it is still not here, check the feed to see if it was properly connected, test with other software, and then it should appear on Logic Pro as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.